Right now, we're in the middle of March Madness. So whether you're a diehard college basketball fan or you simply love nibbling on something really good, we've got just the thing for you. They're sweet and sour meatballs. And to make them, all we do is combine some ground beef, an egg, a splash of water, a good amount of breadcrumbs, and a few seasonings. We give this a good mix and roll it into cocktail-sized meatballs. Once that's done, we mix together some cocktail sauce, grape jelly, that's the sweet part, and for the sour part, we add some fresh lemon juice. The meatballs will go into the sauce, and after they cook low and slow, they're done. And whether you serve these as an appetizer during the playoffs or over noodles as a hearty main dish, you can't go wrong. The recipe for what we call sweet and sour meatballs is online now, so you can keep your taste buds and your gang excited throughout the games. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tongue-tingling way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.